Thank you for joining our handmade birthday gift workshop. Today we're going to have a fun DIY lecture about making our own perfume oil. Who's ready to learn the process with me? Are you ready? So what are the main ingredients in perfume oil? Correct, essential oils and carrier oil. Basically, perfume oil needs essential oils for scent, plus carrier oils so it adheres to the skin. Pretty interesting, right? Essential oils is a concentrated oils extracted from plants. The most common method for extracting essential oils is steam distillation, where plants is placed in a distillation apparatus. Steam and essential oil vapor pass into a condenser, where they cool and condense, then can be separated into essential oil. While essential oils come from plants, carrier oils are made from seeds, nuts, and fruits. Cold pressing is a common method for extracting carrier oils. Material is mechanically pressed, usually with hydraulic presses, to release the oil without using heat. To create a well-balanced perfume oil, I recommended to choose a combination of top, middle, and base notes. Top notes are the first scent you smell when you apply perfume. Tend to be light and fresh. These last 5 to 15 minutes. Middle notes provide the body of the scent and last longer than top notes, which are 20 to 60 minutes. Base notes are the foundation of the scent and are typically deep and musky. These last more than 6 hours. There are some popular essential oils to consider. Top notes: lemon, bergamot, peppermint, grapefruit. Middle notes: lavender, geranium, jasmine, rose. Base notes: patchouli, sandalwood, cedarwood, vanilla. Seems you all are so excited. Then I'll walk us through the process step by step so we can all end up with a homemade perfume oil. Step 1. Choose your scents to create your own perfume oil. You have to select your preferred essential oils for a fresh and citrusy fragrance. Consider grapefruit, bergamot, and lavender. Also, you will need a carrier oil, such as coconut carrier oil. Step 2. Mix and stir. Then we will need to have a small glass bottle or rollerball container and a funnel. A good rule of thumb is to use 30% top notes, 50% middle notes, and 20% base notes. For a 10 milliliters bottle, a safe amount of essential oil is usually between 30 to 40 drops. You can experiment with different combinations of essential oils. First, I add 16 drops grapefruit. Next, 16 drops bergamot. And then 8 drops lavender. Once you have added your essential oils, fill the bottle the rest of the way with your chosen carrier oil. I recommend using no more than 20% essential oils. In your perfume oil, we follow the 2-to-8 ratio, because using essential oils in high concentrations in perfume oil can cause skin irritation. For a 10 milliliters bottle, we need around 160 drops of carrier oil and 40 drops of essential oils. Using your pipette, add 160 drops of your chosen carrier oil to fill the rest of the bottle. To ensure thorough blending, use a stirring stick or gently shake the glass bottle. Step 3. Rest and adjust. Allow the perfume oil to rest for 24 hours in a cool and dark place. This will give the perfume oil time to fully blend and mature. After 24 hours, give your perfume a test run. Apply a small amount to your wrist or neck and see how it smells on your skin. If you are not happy with the scent, you can adjust it by adding more essential oils or carrier oil. Congratulations! You have made your own perfume. Now you can enjoy your customized perfume oil or spread that personalized scent around as a gift. So, what is your favorite scent? Don't hesitate to leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your sharing. By the way, have you wondered if perfume can light up easily? Discuss down below and I will answer your concern once this video receives 1,000 likes. See you!
Wow, I must have.